Okay, good afternoon class. So I will be demonstrating to you on how to do the activity about Excel. So first we're going to open a blank document or a blank workbook for Microsoft Excel. So based on the activity I have posted in our GC, so the title is production and product information. So first we are going to type in Starbuco Organic Milk Tea on cell A1. So this is cell A1, you have the column A. So all the letters, this represents the column, and the numbers here in the side is the row. So cell A1, so you can see that we are in cell A1, that's the cell reference. So in cell A1 we're going to type Starbuco Organic Milk Tea. Then cell B1, the cost of ingredients. So as you can see in the sample, so Starbuco Organic Milk Tea is merge. So meaning one cell na siya ang cell E1 to C1. So to do that, just right click or highlight cell A1 to C1, then right click, format cells, alignment, then merge cells. So the simple way to do that is to highlight the cells nga gusto nimong i-merge, then click merge and center. Okay. Then in cell A3, we're to type number. Cell A4 is 1, cell A5 is 2. So we are going to highlight cell E4 and E5, then drag the fill handle so that it will automatically enter the number. So since in the example is only up to 4, so ano natataman sa 4. Then cell B1 is organic tea. Organic tea, 1 sachet. Cell B4, B5 is pure drinking water. Cell B6 is sweetened condensed milk. And B7 is cup. Then B8 is total. So we will just adjust the column width so that the words or the terms will fit to the column. So just simply drag the column width. Okay, for cell C3, but there is a cell B3, that is the ingredient. And cell C3 is the price per glass. So ang cup di ay ingredients na di ang cup, ingredient na. Okay, for the price per glass, we have 12 pesos, 20 cents, 13, and 2 pesos. So in the example, there are 2 decimal places, but as I encode the prices, so only a whole number. So what you're going to do is highlight the numbers, then right click, format cells, so click number, then number. So the decimal places must be 2 digits. Okay na siya.